Hi everyone, me again. So I took, I think it was 3 kids away with me on holiday, and I've already shown you the Churchill that I've started and now he's painted up in the camo. One of the other kids that I took, because I had a fancy to do a ship, was this Revell 1350 scale German destroyer. It's a Type 1936. I think this one is actually called Diether Roeder or something. This ship had a short but interesting history. This kit is originally apparently a Zvezda kit, and I started it whilst I was on holiday, so unfortunately I can't show you the contents, but I can show you the progress so far. What I tried to do was build sub-assemblies so that I could take them off and then store them away for obviously when we were coming back home, so I wouldn't damage anything. So I just thought I'd introduce this kit as something that I'm building at the moment, and is on the back burner in between other builds. I'll get the kit now so we can see some of the progress I've made. So here she is, guys. You're provided with a stand that you can put her on. I'm not too sure about that. I may have to do something different, but it's useful for putting it there whilst I'm working on other kits. This model is as long as the submarine I've just shown you that I'm doing as Doug Ensley's dedication build. It's about 13 inches long. An interesting destroyer, as I say. It's going together so well. You know, Zvezda have got a bit of a mixed reputation. You know, some of their kits are absolutely awful, and then you get kits like this one that are almost as good as Tamiya. The fit on this has been absolutely wonderful. Really enjoyed putting this together. So it would appear that this destroyer had 4 or 5 single mounted, I think they were 4.7 inch guns. 2 at the front, 2 at the back, and I think there may be 1 somewhere else. The sections here were for the torpedo tubes, which he had 8 of. But one of the things about this destroyer, and I don't know whether you can make out, but there's some rails going along here and along the other side. She had a load of sea mines that she could drop off, and they're all kind of represented on the kit as well, so it'll make for an interesting build. The only photo etch I've chosen to do for this is the railing. I bought myself an aftermarket Kriegsmarine 1350 scale railing set, and what I intend to do is have a look on the internet, whatever, try and get an idea where the railing should be, and then try and put that on the kit just to add that little bit more to the build. So as I say, this is one that will be progressed on and off over the next few weeks. Some of you might be thinking I've set quite a few hairs running. I've got the Churchill to do, I've got the Tempest to finish, I've got Doug's build now, I've got this destroyer to do now, and there is another build that I want to do as the next Name That Film dio. But you know what they say, when the sun shines make hay, and at the moment my hobby's, you know, it's a lot of fun at the moment, so I'm just cracking on and just enjoying building stuff, so hopefully it will continue for some time. Anyway, I've already said it's Friday, so I hope you guys are at the bench and perhaps having a brew or a beer or something, and just enjoying yourselves. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you soon.